everyone, and welcome to this Yanda tutorial on how to open an account. First thing I want you to do is to go over to yanda.io, and you're going to click on this orange button here that says create account. Now, once that takes you to the registration page, you've got two options on how this is going to be done. So you can either create an account with registering with your Google account, which is super easy, or you can choose to create a username, email, and your password. For this tutorial, we're actually going to create a username. So tutorial, we'll call it tutorial Yanda. Email address, and then you can enter a password. Click I am not a robot. Then make sure to read the terms and conditions. I have already read these once, so it is ticked. And then just create account. And there we go. So we have sent an email, and then you just got to go to your email account and then activate it. So you can see there, registration successful. So I'm just going to click onto that and confirm the account. And there we have it. We're back onto the Yanda dashboard. And that's really it. It's super simple to create an account. And in the next video, I'm going to show you how to actually connect one of these 5 exchanges that you can see here at the top. So click the next video, and speak to you then.